If you're on a GLP-1 and you're also on hormone therapy, here's something almost no one is telling you. Your hormones might not be absorbing the way they used to. Same dose, less getting in. And you'd never know it until the symptoms start creeping back. I don't want that for you. So let me explain what's happening and the one simple question to bring to your provider. So why are women combining GLP-1s and HRT? A lot of menopause specialists now pair the two because hormone therapy can improve sleep, mood, and the energy to stay active, which makes the weight piece more sustainable. The combination is increasingly common for women 40 to 60 something. The mechanism nobody mentions is that GLP-1s work partly by slowing down how fast your stomach empties. Now that's the point. It's what helps keep you full. But anything you swallow sits longer and may absorb differently. And that includes oral hormones. If you take your estradiol or your progesterone as a pill, a slowed down gut can mean you're absorbing less of it than your prescription says. Now, here's the simple fix, and it's the one question I want you to walk into your provider's office with. Ask your provider whether a non-oral route, like a transdermal patch, gel, cream, or a sublingual spray or tablet, makes sense for you, since those bypass the gut entirely. The right brand of estradiol tablets can be used sublingually. The oil and progesterone capsules can also be used vaginally. If you're still cycling and using a pill for birth control, that's a concern worth raising too for the same absorption reason. Now, here's what ties this together. You can have perfect hormone levels on paper, but your hormones still have to be read by your hypothalamus to do their job. If the control center is inflamed and overwhelmed, the message gets garbled no matter how good your labs look. That's the layer underneath all of this. So whether you're combining these or not, the foundation is the same. A hypothalamus that can actually hear the signals you're sending it. Here's where to start. I made a free hormone reboot training that shows you how to support that control center so your body can actually use the hormones, the nutrition, everything you're giving it. The link's in the description and pinned in the comments. Bring the absorption question to your provider and grab the training for the rest. I'll see you in the next video.